Having a backup USB boot device is essential on Hackintosh, especially if you're fond of editing your config or just a handy lifeline in case your computer won't boot after an update or you messed up your configuration. I've been there, trapped in a boot loop with no way back in. Today, you will learn how to create a USB device with your working EFI folder. The secret to a bulletproof Hackintosh isn't never making mistakes, it's having a secondary external brain for your system. By moving your working EFI folder to a dedicated GPT partitioned USB drive, you create an independent key to your PC. If your internal drive fails or the configuration gets corrupted, your motherboard can look at this USB instead, bypassing the error and letting you fix your mistakes from inside BOS. You do need a USB flash drive with at least 1 GB of storage space. Insert it into your computer and make sure you already did a backup of the files inside it. Let's search for Rufus. Click the second link with the download. The recent version as of this recording was 4.14. Click and launch the app. When the app loads, the USB flash drive will automatically be detected. I have here a 4 GB worth of disk space. Under the boot selection, select the non-bootable option dropdown. This is crucial. We don't want Rufus to install its own bootloader. On the partition scheme, it would be GPT. The file system would be FAT. As for the volume label, you can name whichever you like. I will just put OpenCore. Click Start whenever ready. It will prompt you that the USB flash drive will be wiped out. Click OK to continue. Once done, you can now close Rufus. Let's open a Windows Explorer and navigate into the USB flash drive. It will be empty. Now all you have to do is drag the EFI folder inside the flash drive. Once the copying completes, we are now going to restart the computer to test it out. When your computer is booting, press the boot menu F12. Each motherboard is different, so I will just include other brands. From here, just select the USB flash drive using the arrow keys on your keyboard and then press the Enter key. From here, you will have the OpenCore Boot Picker menu. And that's it, you have booted into your USB flash drive. I never tweak my config anymore without this drive plugged in. What's the deadliest mistake you've ever made in your config.plist list that caused a boot failure? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.